Jiahua machine LJZ1-01-550X4200 CNC Aluminium profile cutting machine with double head. Machine dimensions: length 6,200 millimeters, width 1,300 millimeters, height 1,600 millimeters. Equipped with automatic double head cutting saw for efficient and precise cutting operations. Automatic anti-splash system to ensure a clean and safe working environment. User-friendly operation console for easy and intuitive control. Automatic clamping system for secure and accurate material positioning. High precision cutting saw for smooth, accurate, and reliable cuts. Supports 90 degrees cutting range 175 millimeters by 200 millimeters. Supports 45 degrees cutting range 175 millimeters by 160 millimeters. Capable of cutting extra long profiles with a maximum length of 4,800 millimeters. Capable of cutting ultra short profiles with a minimum length of 520 millimeters. Provides clean, burr-free cut edges for a high-quality finish. Choose Jiahua machine, choose expertise and reliability.